Noah, go get her. Go get her.
No, don't get her, don't get her.
She's playing coy with you, Noah. Look at her peeking her head out there. Go get her. Quinn, come on over here.
No, not on the table.
Come and play the kitchen with Noah.
Strawberries are delicious. They're delectable.
Quinn, come on. Don't stop there.
Can we eat some more? Well, they're not quite ready yet, Harry. They need to ripen first. Will they be ready? Maybe in a week or so.
A week?
She loves that thing.
A week without strawberries? A whole week?
Careful, careful. No, no.
If we wait, someone
Thank
might
you. Noah, stop it, please.
Hey,
Hey.
I don't know. Strawberry nibbler will eat them. They're great. Strawberry nibbler? Yeah.
Careful, careful, careful.
Sleep comes out with cold.
Just stand back.
Tell you what, I'll check under every flower pot just to be sure, okay?
Give that to Quinn.
See the nibbler because it's magic.
Noah.
I wish we could have some strawberries right now.
Quinn, don't eat the drawers. You're supposed to cook in the kitchen.
There is a place, of course, where strawberries are ready to eat all the time.
You mean a place where you can find the biggest, juiciest dino strawberries?
Of course.
Quinn, what's in the fridge?
Are you ready, Harry?
Oh. Is she eating it? Yum, 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 yum.
Good job. Smells it.
Which way to
Not before I get some peas.
Hey, wait for me.
Here, ask Noah to get it for you. He's taller.
Will you just take a look at those? Wow.
Aw.
Pull these strawberries just for
Look at them running a household so efficiently together already, Z.
Yeah.
No fighting.
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh.
Noah? What's the going for? No. No.
leave our strawberries alone.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, Quinn, don't put everything in your mouth.